Hello and welcome to another video. Yeah, here we are in Bulgaria. We are in Dubnica. Yes, I drove 2000 kilometers with my electric car. It is very dirty, as you can see. That's what 2000 kilometers of Balkan and Bulgarian roads did you. Today I'm going to wash it at a Bulgarian car wash. We have only 3 programs: high pressure washer, shampoo, wax. And there is this lonely brush here. There are hot women on the wall. It looks like a very nice car wash. Unfortunately, these women are not here to wash my car, so I need to do it myself. Let's see if I can get this car clean. Let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is do the vodostrojka, which is the high pressure washer. It costs 1 lev, which is 50 cents. Let's blast up all this dirt. Underneath I still have a turtle wax metallic wax, and as you can see, the dirt comes off relatively easy, so the wax after 3 weeks is still active. Sehr schön. What I like about this car wash is that they have this high pressure thing which goes all the way over the car. So I've taken the brush cover from home to go over it, so that I don't need to use this Bulgarian brush. Sehr schön. Yeah, and welcome back. We're now at the charger. Yeah, I wanted to make a longer video, but there were a lot of other people just before Christmas, of course, wanting to make their car look beautiful. So it had to be done really fast, and what's really helpful then is, when you go on a long trip and you want to wash your car somewhere on the go safely, a brush cover is really one of my top recommendations. I managed to get the car reasonably clean. First we used vodostrojka, which removed all of the dirt and the road salt from the car. Then we used preparaat. Preparaat was some shampoo that came on the car. And then there was this banged up brush with some water. Luckily I had the brush cover with me and I went all over the car. Like I said, reasonably clean. Yeah, I mean, it was so dirty. There were still some spots there that I wasn't able to remove. I guess for that you really need to have your own stuff with you or go to a more professional car wash. Wheels. Yeah. They look okay, but most important is that you remove all the road salt from the car. That's really the thing that is the most aggressive. But in general, I was happy. Yeah, sad that these women weren't there to wash my car. That would have been even better. But quite happy with the result. Now, as the finishing touch, I'm going to put a product on there. I challenged myself, take only 1 product with you on this long trip. I should have taken a proper glass cleaner because the windows got so dirty. But I got myself a quick detailer. Let me show you what I took. And so probably like you, I wanted to take a lot of things, but it wouldn't all fit in the car. So I got myself Turtle Wax It Wet, which is my favorite product, I think, of 2023. Because it's very easy to apply. You can apply it wet. It helps to dry off the car. And it gives a good, reasonable protection and shine. Let's put it on the car. Couple of sprays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then just get a microfiber towel. You can even spray a bit in the towel here for better distribution. And it's so easy to apply. You just spread it around and there's not even a direct need to buff it off. It's very express, very fast, and very good for situations like this. Sehr schön, mnogo dobre. So the Turtle Wax It Wet quick detailing spray is on. I have a bit left and I thought I might as well just spray it on my wheels. Get a bit of extra protection for these wheels. And then I can polish them also a little bit. Very nice, very multifunctional. Yeah, and with 1 product you can really get a lot of things done. Let me know if you have experience with this. I really liked it, especially in the summer. Not sure how long it lasts in the winter, but for doing something really quick, without streaking, it's cold here, and without a complicated removal process, This is really one of my favorite products, and it's very affordable too. So, and I'm just gonna take the same microfiber towel that I've been using to put on the car, because it's already nice and soaking wet. I'm not going to go too deep in these wheels, maybe there's still a lot of dirt, but yeah, just a bit on the outside, so that it has a nice optical shine. And as you can see, doing this with a bit of microfiber towel and some quick detailing spray, you cannot do anything wrong, and it looks great again. Très bien. Yeah, and then when you're done with that, there's also nothing wrong with taking another microfiber towel and just to give it one final polish. Maybe you don't have a white car, but you have a metallic car where some streaks will be a bit more visible, and then this is definitely good to just get another towel and buff it out. And the Turtle Wax It Wet, one of the nice attributes is that it makes the paint of your car, the lug, super smooth, extremely soft, which gives us this nice gloss and this nice shine, and should help to get this nasty dirt washed off the car easily. About almost 4 weeks ago I applied Turtle Wax metallic wax with PTFE in it. I have another video about it, I'll send it to you in the links. And I think that base coat allowed me right now to wash this extremely dirty car relatively easy. I must say, even with the high pressure washer, a lot of it came off. And with the contact wash, I was really able to get, let's say, 90% of the dirt off. And I think that's due to the attributes of the Turtle Wax PTFE wax that I used 4 weeks ago. So that's, in my opinion, a really nice base coat just to have on the car. And then when you travel, you can do these quick contact washes with a brush cover. And then the washing process shouldn't be so hard. And with a quick detailing spray, you're good to go again in no time. Mnogo dobre, mnogo mi van Turtle Wax, mnogo dober produkt. Един от моите любимите продукти в Bulgaria, когато аз пътувам до Bulgaria. И отличен шест. Yeah, and we've come to the end of the video where my electric car is charging. Not too bad to go 2,200 kilometers, 1,600 miles from the Netherlands to Bulgaria with an electric car. It's all possible, even in the cold. Of course, the range is not as big in the summer, but it behaves almost just like a normal car. You can definitely do it if you want it. Look at the beautiful mountains here in Dubnica, Bulgaria. We're in the Kustendil region, where they have the nicest people and the best food. Let me know if you've ever been to Bulgaria and where you like to go in Bulgaria. I really like it. I've been coming here for the last 13 years. And now with an electric car also, I can take all the Lutenica that I want. I can take all the Rakia that I want. I can load it up. I just hope that the Serbians at the border won't confiscate it. But aside of that, it's just great to travel with a car to Bulgaria. Aside of the long waiting times in Kalotina, it was another 3 hours. Let me know how long you've been waiting at the Kalotina border. I talked to a lot of people from Kosovo, from Bulgaria, from Serbia. Horrible, these borders. Let's hope we'll all join Schengen soon. That'll really help. So coming to you from the OMV, and with the beautiful Bulgarian mountains in the background, I wanted to thank you for watching my channel the last year. I just started this year. It's been really nice to share my experiences, washing and detailing my car, the Opel Ampera-e, the Chevy Bolt EV, and the Renault Zoe of my wife. Really like taking care of the car. I hope you like it too. Let me know what type of videos you'd like to watch. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. For now, I'm wishing you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The best wishes to you and your family. Veseli Prasnici, Vesela Kodera I Čestita Nova Godina I poželjam vi šťastie, ľubov, kismet I всички най. I hope I said it right. Thanks for watching. Have a great new year and see you in the next year with more videos. Ciao.